There we go.
We need to have one guy just peel out, and then everybody just rushes us.
Yeah, everybody rush one side.
I can be that one guy.
Their peeks out, and then we just all rush right into him.
Yeah.
If we actually play this game right, it will.
Yeah.
We just need to play it way more. Yeah.
We're all kind of like hanging in the back.
Not even that, but they tend to
Like,
down.
yeah, that's true, that's true.
Slow and steady does win this race. Like, what's leaking? Sure, put it in, yeah, that one works. You put it in my right one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Behind the wall, guys, behind the wall.
Hey!
Behind the wall, buddy.
Hey, buddy!
Hey, buddy!
Yeah. Damn, this thing's bright. I love it. What is this? Scalps with medics, round 2.
Round 2.
Round 2.
Right. Are you?
Slow and steady wins the race. You guys got it. Aggression works with this, but yeah, we'll do mosque. Through it, yeah. Let's go through it. We'll cut the long way. They'll get there first, but you know what? We'll have more people.
Wait, what side are we rushing on?
We're gonna push left, but we also need some people to go right.
I'll go right. I'll go right.
And I probably wouldn't go past the middle building. I would just keep them there, let us go around, and we'll take them from the side.
Yeah, we'll try to go like on the right side, draw fire for them, and you guys just
Red line comes.
Well, I totally forgot what game we were playing at the beginning. I'm like, go, dead man walking. And I'm like, wait, nope. Wrong game. Going back there. Behind the wall, guys. All right, behind. Yes, behind that way of me. Everyone that way of me. Don't be doing that out here.
Remember, fellas and ladies, if there are any over here.
Nope.
There's one girl here.
On the other team.
That's the other team. Nice shot.
Alright, guys, remember, if you have been shot, call your hits. I've had a few complaints that some of you guys aren't calling your hits. I know that the adrenaline is going and you're running, so you may not feel it. Try your best. When in doubt, call your out. Alright, ladies. That's your game.
You too. Don't get shot. I like the vest. That's nice. I need to get one. Yeah. Huh? Oh, I know. Everyone says that. But I mean, because they think their gun's like the shit. And it's like the Walmart AEG.
Like rentals.
Yep.
I remember that.
Like if you have an AEG ad for a while, you know where to shoot it. Like,
Yep. Yeah, that's what mine sounds like too.
but like I hit like a few of them, and they just
You ready, guys? Good enough. Let's go. How the fuck are you running faster than me? Go. Hardly anyone here. Where's the rest of the team? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, this shit sucks. Okay, I got one at the wall. I'm gonna pop shots out this way. You guys keep holding here. Bradley! Jesus Christ! Bradley! Bradley! Holy shit. Them ricochets hurt. Shit, I gotta reload.
not hit?
Nope, that guy's not hit. The guy behind the pillar, he's creeping on the left side of it. He's far back. I'm out of gas. Are you hit?
No, I just hit that.
Oh, okay.
Alright, thank you.
Yep, I'm out of ammo on this, or out of gas, I should say. I got this. How's this side looking? How are we?
Not hardly any people.
Yeah, we got 2 guys over here. You want to keep an eye on them? They're just 2. But I want to make sure that they know we're in here. Hold up. Hey, come here. Stand up. Take this guy through the window. You see the green armband? Shoot that guy. Yeah. What? Are you fucking kidding? Yeah, take that guy. Yeah, I know. The guys through the window. Heads up, they're on the corner of the building. About fucking time.
There's someone right there.
Like, on this side?
No, right up there.
It's one guy. It's one guy now. The other guy left. Right there. Can you take him? You got hit. Oh no. You got him? I think he's a hit. Shit. He's got a friend. He's got a friend. We need to rush it now if we're gonna do it. That was the guys at the wall though. Alright, so there's 2 of them over there. Same. There's one where he's still at. You got him, but his friend's below gonna medic him. So what I need you to do is do that again, and I can go bang kill the medic. And if, hold on, if you get hit, I'm gonna drag you over here, medic you, and do that. All right, now they're coming up and down. They're both playing. Or he moved. It's okay. Huh? You wanted to say fuck it and do it? There's 1 minute left. I know, but they can't get us real good. They're just going to angle it off the wall. If we rush and they're not looking, we can get them. Nope, we got one right here. Never mind, bad plan. Stay in here. How are we doing? Yeah, you're dead. I got it. Is she? Shoot, through that window again. And this thing's fucking jamming on me again. Are you kidding? Yeah, not the time to be doing this, so come on. Oh fuck, laser.
Oh, hit, hit.
Give me your hand. pull you.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She's ours. Pull him. Got it. I fixed it.
This side, okay.
See? How's that side look? Still fucked?
One person.
Come on, poke your head out there one more time. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding. Hey, give me your gun now. Give it to me right now. Hit. That's game. Thank you. I killed like 5 people with that.